University of Zimbabwe's decision to publish fraudulent results sparks outrage. Zanapita mashoko chitiko chiri kuvhundutsa vanhu panguva ino. University of Zimbabwe payakuda ku release ayo ma results. Panoonekwa kunzi ma students akagara for my examinations vasina kana kumboatenda ma lectures chaizvo aiwa zvinomusoro kana kuti zvinganyatso kuonekwa kunzi these guys vakasvika pastandard yekunyora an examination, and panguva ino they yet to release my results ari kunzi ari fraudulent. Sarapinda mashoko kuda panguva ino konyatso kuonekwa kunzi aiwa education system yenyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino people that no longer trusting it, not about subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina munomubuda nyukomjinzi in an alarming display of disregard of academic integrity. The University of Zimbabwe UZ plans to publish results that have been categorically identified as fraudulent. Under the leadership of Professor Paul Mapfumo, the University of Zimbabwe administration has shown a blatant unwillingness to address serious violations of regulations, opting instead to mislead students and the public. The Association of University Teachers AUT has tirelessly sought dialogue and resolution only to be met with hostility, dismissal, and disregard for this reckless decision to push forward with the publication of these dubious results ahead of the August 22 graduation reflects a troubling trend of prioritizing image over truth. By choosing to ignore the evidence and concerns raised, the UZ administration is not just undermining its own credibility, but also jeopardizing the future of its students. The AUT stands firm in its commitment to expose these unethical practices and demand accountability from those in power. We call on the academic community and the public to reject this trend and uphold the standards that define true education. AUT ndomaswara panguva ino aiwa Association of University Teachers iri panguva ino ichiti aiwa UZ ngaizvimire izvi zvokuda kungo chenesa the public image, but chikwadi chacho chaicho vachichikavha. Ngokuti mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.